currently going through a breakup. Yeah, I know. Breakups are hard, man. And the way girls are these days, they're very strategic with their breakup. This girl broke up with me a day before my grandmother's burial. Come see me for the burial, they cry. People, they console me. It's okay, she lived a good life. I said, you don't go understand. And like, she didn't just break up with me, like she left me for another guy. So the words they were using to console me at the burial were not helping. They were saying things like, it's okay. She's in a better place. She's with her daddy now. Resting in his bosom. This is the one that bossed my, he will take care of her. My ex is a drunkard. No, I'm not exaggerating. Like, she drinks to die. Like, she just drinks alcohol for fun. My talking stage does not drink at all. And I came to realize that, like, what, like, makes me like this person? Then I realized that, she's very funny. How many of you like funny girls? Yes. I used to think I was funny, but, like, she chose, like, subtle jokes. The other day, I was like, so you left home at what time to get to work? She said, I left home at 6:59. I was like, so you left home at 7? She said, no, I left home at 6:59. I said, 6:59 and 7, what's the difference? She said, 1 minute now. A lot can happen in 1 minute. You say if you know. I said, yes. I decided to see a therapist. Worst mistake ever. So this therapy session was for 4 weeks. I went the first week, I saw her. Went the second week, I saw her. Went the third week. Then I realized that she wasn't there. So I asked the assistant, what happened? That's when she told me that my therapist has gone for therapy. Why? Because every time I came to meet her and I told her that, like, this girl did this to me, she disrespected me, she said the same thing. Come on, you are a strong man. Things fall out of place, so things can fall in place. Let her go. I'll come again the next week. She would not put me first. She always thinks about herself. She's selfish. Come on. Things fall out of place, so things can fall in place. Let her go. So when I came the third week and she wasn't around, and the assistant said I should call her, I was like, is everything okay? She said, yes, call her. So I called her. She was like, Joshua. I was like, yes. Can I confide in you? Yeah? That's when she told me that her fiancé of 3 years is getting married to somebody else. I felt sad. She said, Joshua, won't you say anything? I said, come on. You are a strong woman. Things fall out of place, so things can fall in place. Let him go.